Okay guys, just a little video for today. I have a couple of questions for you guys out there. Well, first let me show you. This was my version 1, which had a very bad crash. You can see down here it actually bent the hard shell and also broke the print inside. So I did order some spare parts. Unfortunately, well, it takes a little long time to get, but anyway, hope it'll be flying soon. Here is my prop balancer, cheap one, $20 I think, or less than that. And as you can see, this prop here is very heavy on this side, so of course I would do something on this side regarding my allo tape in order to get it into balance. Balancing the prop, very important, I think. One issue I had to ask you out there, if you listen, this engine doesn't say anything. Very good. The other one, very noisy. I don't know if that has some kind of problem and is helping the Phantom to vibrate a little bit. I don't know. The other two engines over here are really good. This funny noise, I don't know. Have you tried anything like this? Seen, heard? How are your engines out there reacting? Anyway, just a small video for today. Hope you are all having a great Phantom day. See you guys.